how to find something on a page on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find on a page easily and fast. First thing, go to the specific page that you want. For example, I'm gonna go to Wikipedia. Let's go to, for example, one of here. Let's say that you are searching, for example, for a specific word on this page. All what you have to do is go right here on those three dots and go down, click on find on page. Now you can search for any, as you can see, any word or paragraph if you want. As you can see right here, it's so easy to find what you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.